Hi everyone and welcome back to Braden's Kitchen. Today I'm making sirloin steak on the grill. So I know it's the end of summer and Labor Day was over the weekend, so we didn't have a barbecue, so I'm grilling tonight. So I'm making steak for my brother and myself. Some perfect sirloin steaks. They're about a half a pound. And I'm seasoning them with salt, pepper, and some soy sauce. That's low sodium, so you can add a little bit more salt if you like salt. So I'm gonna start by seasoning each steak with a little bit of salt, and then adding some pepper. And I'm serving these steaks with a plate of noodles, which I can show you guys how to make in another episode. And you can get this recipe and many of my other recipes from bradenskitchen.blogspot.com. And this is a really basic recipe if you're handy with the grill. And you can also make it on a cast iron skillet inside, which is what I normally do in the winter. So this is probably going to be one of my last times using the grill because the weather is starting to get a little iffy. So I have my soy sauce in the bowl. I'll show you guys. Well, it's kind of hard to get without tipping over. So I have the soy sauce in a bowl. And then I'll show you what I'm going to do with the bowl when we get outside. Alright, so right now I'm outside with the grill. I'm going to attempt to put the steaks on with my crutch. I have the grills on all three burners to half the normal heat because I don't want to char the steaks. And then I'm using my bowl of soy sauce to give the steaks flavor. So what I do is I dunk the steaks in the soy sauce and then I put them on the grill. So, I'm gonna take this piece, put it in the soy. Now I'm gonna open the grill. And I'm gonna put it on the grill. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with the next one. So I already flipped the first steak. Now I'm flipping the second steak, which is my brother's because he likes it charred. I know it doesn't look very charred right now, but believe me, it is, and it will be. So this one's my steak. In a few minutes, I'm going to be taking them off the grill. And with these steaks, what you really want to do is about 2 minutes each side. If you like them rare, and you can keep flipping them if you like a medium rare, well done. But it's really your preference, although I don't want to meet someone who likes their steak well done. Alright, so these steaks look about done. Using a meat thermometer, a steak's temperature needs to be about 145 at minimum. If you like it really rare, you can take it off at 140 because it'll still cook once it's on the plate. So,
Is that yours?
yeah. And here is the second one. And then I'll see you guys inside when it's time for the taste test. Alright, so my steak is cooked to a perfect medium rare. So I already cut a piece. It's perfect. It might be a little closer to rare, but I can't wait to try it. Probably one of the best steaks I've ever had. And these noodles are made by my brother Quinn. He also helped me with the camera too, so I'm giving him a shout out. my god, these noodles and steak, the combo is so good. I'll give you the noodles in my next video or in the future sometime. But thank you all for watching again. See you later. Bye.